Hello students, till now we have learned how to convert a given decimal number system into any other number system. It can be either binary, octal or hexadecimal. Okay, from this session we'll see how to convert given number system to decimal number system. Okay, so in this session we'll see how to convert or converting from binary to decimal. So as you all know that binary number system consists of what? Zeros and ones. Okay, so the given zeros and ones needs to be converted into decimal number system. So now we'll see how to convert these given binary number system into decimal. So in this, the given question is 1101 base 2. That means it is binary number system that needs to be converted into what? Decimal number system. Okay, what is the first step? First we have to determine the positional value of each bit. Each bit is nothing but this binary numbers. Okay, first we have to write down the binary numbers. What are the binary numbers? Binary number is nothing but given value, that is 1101. Okay, then we need to find the positional value. How to give the positional value? So in this, now we are dealing with binary, so that binary numbers or base or radix of binary numbers is nothing but 2. So we have to give the positional value of 2. Okay, that is 2 power 0, then 2 power 1, 2 power 2, then 2 power 3. Okay, so what is the effective value? 2 power 0. Any number with power 0 is nothing but what? 1. Okay, so then 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. Then 2 power 2, that means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 power 3. Okay, don't multiply 2 into 3. So that you have to take as 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is what? Effective value. First we have to write the binary values, then we need to find out the positional value, then that respective effective values. Okay, so this is regarding first step. Then what we have to do in second step? So in step 2 or second step, we have to multiply the obtained value by digit in the corresponding position. Okay, after getting positional value and its effective or product, then we have to multiply the obtained value. Okay, so with corresponding position, what we have to do now? 1 into 8, we have to multiply this 1 with 8, that means 1 into 8, then 1 into 4, 0 into 2, then 1 into 1. Okay, what will be the product? So product is nothing but multiplication value. 1 8s are 8, then 1 4s are 4, 0 into 2 is nothing but 0, then 1 1s are 1. So this is regarding second step. So in first step we have to find out the positional value. In second step we have to multiply the positional value with a binary number. Okay, so in third step we have to sum the products which is calculated in the second step to get the decimal number. Okay, so what are the products? 8401. So we need to sum up all these values in order to get decimal number. Okay, so 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. What is the sum? 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 0 12, plus 12 1 is nothing but 13. Okay, so this is regarding step 3. So what we are going to get? 13 with base what? 10, because we are converting given binary number system into decimal number system. Okay, so in order to solve any binary number system into decimal number system, so these are the steps that needs to be followed. Okay, but so this is I have explained for your knowledge, but when you are dealing with binary to decimal number system, you have to do only small steps like hence 1101, that is binary, that needs to be converted into what? Decimal. So what you have to do? 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay, so you have to write from this way, left to right. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So now we need to give the weights. So it starts with right to left. We need to give the weights from right to left. It starts with 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, then 2 power 2, then 2 power 3. So then 1 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2, then 1 into 1. Okay, 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now we need to sum up all the things. So you have to use equals in all the steps. So 13 base 10. So this is how we need to convert any given binary number system into decimal. Okay. Now we'll see another example, 10011 point, binary point 011. So as you all know that we have to take the number which is left to the binary point as a positive numbers, and this is nothing but fractional part, that we need to give the weightage of negative values. Okay, so now we'll see how to convert these kind of binary to decimal. So 1 into 2, so I am taking this from left to right, so that 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay, so this is regarding this positive values. I need to give the weightage from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, after that I have to take plus, then this 0, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus another 1 into 1, 1 into 2. Okay, so we need to give the negative weightage for this. So what we have to do, 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, then 2 power minus 3. Then 1 into 2 power 4 is nothing but what? 16. 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into any number with power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 1. Okay, so plus. So what we have to do here, we have to take this 0 into 1 divided by 2. Okay, so we are inversing this one. So 1 by 2 plus this plus, then 1 into 2 power 2, so that 1 by 2 power 2. Okay, so reciprocal in the sense it's going to give the positive value. Then 1 into 1 by 2 power 3. Okay, 1 into 16 is nothing but 16 plus 0 into any number 0, 0 into any number 0 plus 1 into 2 is 2, then 1 ones are 1. Okay, so any number with 0, 0. So in this case what we have to do, 1 into 1 divided by 2 power 2 is nothing but 4. So that 1 into 1 divided by 4. So we are going to get 0.25. So right here 0.25 plus this one, 1 into 1 divided by 8. What we are going to get? 1 into 1 divided by 8. So 0.125. So in last step what we have to do, we have to sum up all the things. Okay, so 16 plus 0 16, 16 plus 0 16, then 18 19. Okay, so this is regarding this positive values or number which is reside left to the binary point, that we have to write separately. Okay, so that this becomes 19. Then we have to sum up the fractional values, that is 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. So what we are going to get? 0.375. We need to leave this 0, then we have to take from point, that is 375. 375 with the decimal radix. Okay, so this is how we need to convert any given binary number system into decimal number system. First you have to write down all the binary values, then multiply that binary values with power of 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2, then 0 into 2, again 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2, and give the positive weightage from left to right. Okay, after binary point you have to take negative weightage, so that 0 into 2 power minus 1, 1 into 2 power minus 1 and 1 into 2 power minus 2. Then find out the product, then sum up all the values, then give the that will gives you decimal number. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow while converting any given binary number system into decimal. Thank you.